raining. Yay. I love the rain. Look at that shit. Hey. Camera's getting wet, yeah. Just going to the mall with my dad and my aunt. So, yeah, here's a bit of it. Hey. This is video, okay, so.